In this video, I will show you how you can fix DirectX 12 error in Marvel Rivals. So first of all, you need to press Window plus R button on your keyboard and simply search for DXDiag and click OK. This will open up this system information where you can confirm whether you have a DirectX 12 or not. If you do not have a DirectX 12, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first and the most important step is to update your Windows, because updating Windows can also update your DirectX from a old version to a newer version. So simply go to your settings and then you need to go for Windows Update. Make sure that your window is up to date. One thing to keep in mind that your graphics card support the DirectX 12. These are the minimum requirements that can have DirectX 12. Otherwise, if you have a lower graphics card than these ones, unfortunately you will not be able to play Marvel Rivals. One last thing that I can recommend is restarting your PC and then reinstalling the game. As I said, if you do not have a DirectX 12 after updating your Windows, unfortunately you will not be able to play the game without DirectX 12.